Welcome to the best pick. The best hand healing cream is probably one of the most essential items in any household, especially for those who frequently deal with dry, cracked, or irritated skin due to environmental factors, frequent hand washing, or specific skin conditions. This video dives deep into what makes a hand healing cream truly effective, exploring the science behind its ingredients and how different formulations cater to various needs, ensuring your hands receive the ultimate care and recovery they deserve. Number 5. Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. Introducing Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. It provides rich moisture for dry to extra dry skin, offering lasting hydration even after washing your hands. This dermatologist-tested formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly. It's designed to soothe and protect your skin, leaving it feeling soft and comfortable. Enriched with soothing aloe, it calms irritated skin. Experience the healing power of this carefully crafted moisturizer. Don't let dry skin hold you back. This cream delivers hydration that lasts, ensuring your hands stay moisturized throughout the day. The convenient 3-ounce tube is perfect for your bag or pocket. Keep your hands feeling great wherever you go with this light-scented, effective solution. What we like. This cream is enriched with aloe for a soothing experience. Its advanced formula provides hydration that lasts, even through frequent hand washing. If you have dry to extra dry skin and are looking for a non-greasy option that keeps your hands moisturized all day, this is a great choice. What people say. This hand cream is incredibly moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how quickly this hand cream absorbs into my skin without leaving a greasy residue. The subtle, pleasant scent of this hand cream is a nice touch and not overpowering at all. Number 4. Watkins Natural Moisturizing Hand Cream, Coconut. Discover the rich, natural moisture your hands deserve. This cream is crafted to deeply hydrate and nourish. It's formulated with shea butter, cocoa butter, and avocado oil for a luxurious feel. Enjoy the benefits of these natural ingredients. Indulge in the tropical aroma of coconut. It leaves your hands smelling fresh and feeling revitalized. Feel good about what you're using. This product is proudly made in the USA and is never tested on animals. Keep your hands soft and smooth all day long. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. You get a generous 3.3-ounce size, ensuring you have plenty of this wonderful moisturizer on hand. What we like. Infused with shea butter, cocoa butter, and avocado oil, this natural moisturizer offers a luxurious feel. It's made in the USA and is cruelty-free, appealing to conscious consumers. If you prefer products with natural ingredients and enjoy a hydrating blend of butters and oils, this one is for you. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and absorbs quickly, leaving hands feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. The scent is very light and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It's perfect for everyday use. I love how this cream helps to heal dry, cracked hands. It provides long-lasting hydration and protection. Number 3. Panier de Sens Provence Citrus Hand Cream. Experience the luxurious touch of our premium French hand cream. It's specially formulated to provide softening care for your skin. Crafted with 97% natural ingredients, this cream deeply moisturizes and nourishes. Enjoy the benefits of a vegan formula made with care. Transport yourself with the refreshing scent of Provence citrus. This hand cream leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized. Specifically designed for dry skin, it offers intensive hydration without greasiness. Feel the difference with every application. Embrace the elegance of French skincare with this exquisite hand cream. It's a perfect treat for yourself or a thoughtful gift. Our gentle yet effective formula is perfect for daily use. It ensures your hands remain soft, smooth, and beautifully cared for. What we like. Experience the premium care of this French hand cream, boasting 97% natural ingredients. Its vegan formula is designed for softening and nourishing. If you appreciate high-quality, natural, and vegan skincare with a touch of European luxury, this is an excellent option. What people say. This hand cream is incredibly moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how quickly this hand cream absorbs into my skin without leaving a greasy residue. The subtle, Pleasant scent of this hand cream is a nice touch and not overpowering at all. Number 2. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 8 ounces. Introducing Miracle Hand Repair Cream, your ultimate solution for dry and cracked hands. Experience the healing power of nature with this exceptional moisturizer. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, this cream provides intense hydration and promotes rapid healing. It's designed to soothe and restore even the most damaged skin. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it quickly absorbs into your skin. This means no sticky residue, just soft, comfortable hands. Specifically formulated for those with demanding jobs, it offers relief and protection for working hands. Keep your hands healthy and supple, no matter the task. Combat extremely dry skin with our deeply moisturizing lotion. It delivers lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. This best healing hand cream works to repair and restore your skin's natural barrier. Feel the difference as it transforms dry, cracked hands into soft, healthy ones. What we like. With a powerful 60% aloe vera base, this cream offers rapid healing for dry, cracked hands. It's a non-greasy, fast-absorbing moisturizer perfect for those with demanding jobs. If your hands are extremely dry and you need quick relief and deep healing, this is the solution. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and leaves my hands feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 1. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream. Are your hands extremely dry and cracked? O'Keeffe's Working Hands is a concentrated moisturizing cream designed to heal, relieve, and repair them. It's the number 1 hand cream brand in America, ready to bring your hands back to life. Experience guaranteed relief for even the most severely dry hands. This cream forms a protective barrier, locking in moisture to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to nourished hands. Get an instant moisture boost that relieves discomfort and repairs dry skin. It works to make your hands feel full, moisturized, and truly nourished. You'll feel the difference immediately. For the best results, apply this cream after washing your hands, after bathing, and before bedtime. These are the most effective times to moisturize extremely dry hands and skin. This product is unscented, non-greasy, and hypoallergenic, making it safe for everyone, including those with diabetes. The 3.4-ounce jar is also a perfect travel size for comfort on the go. What we like. This is a highly concentrated cream designed to create a protective layer, locking in moisture for severely dry and cracked hands. It's unscented and non-greasy, making it ideal for sensitive skin or those who dislike fragrances. If you need intense repair and guaranteed relief for the driest, toughest hands, this is the one to trust. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and absorbs quickly, leaving hands feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering at all, making it enjoyable to use throughout the day. It has significantly improved the dryness and cracking of my hands, especially during the winter months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.